Hey guys, what's up? My last video that I made was kind of hilarious. I said it's over there. I said I was gonna get 3 new budgies. They're parrots, so I did actually get 3 new budgies. They're right there. Come on, guys, they're not moving. There's food. It's just seeds, and this is second-handed. See, there's like, I still gotta wash the bottom here. And I don't know why the previous owner used wild food. I have no idea. It's by Selection Company. It's just a terrible company. I have no idea why they used wild bird seeds. I mean, I did like it, but I shouldn't be eating it. And just to make sure show you guys they're real. They're probably moving. Hold on, maybe get them to move a little bit. Here's a clear view of them. I don't know the names for them yet. Can you please tell me in the description below? To the right is a complete green one. In the middle is white and blue. To the left is a blue, white, and yellow. Just amazing budgies. They are just so cute. They're adorable. So I did tell you guys in my last update, my my other video, tell you guys that they're up. I can't even talk. Oh, I love these guys. They're just so cute and adorable. I'm just trying to tame them, get them used to my hand and my voice, so I can tame them. I can like put them on my finger, get them out of the cage, fly a little bit, around my room. So it'll take a couple of weeks before I can take them out of the cage. Because if they do get out of the cage, I don't know how I'm gonna get them, right? Like, I don't have a net or something. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing a haul, like I said, because the food that they gave me was not good. I want to get them like real budgie food and a couple of treats and maybe like a toy, because there's only this one, like kind of like a swing. I'm not really too sure, but there's 3 sticks. So I'm gonna get maybe another one, some brand new food, and like another one of these, because they do fight for food. And the water is right there. There's an orange back here. They just love it. So yeah, guys, that's my 3 birds. They're not moving right now. Look, they go on my finger, but then they get off. Yeah, let me show you. See, it just go off. I just love. That's amazing. Oh, he just pooped. Oh, he just missed my finger. Thank God. And their bites actually don't hurt. Oh, that's just so cute. See, they're real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.